a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we'll learn print using StarDomain GW basic programming language. This command is used to display numbers and strings on the screen in a specified format, and the syntax is print using string expression, list of expressions, and the interpretation is string expressions is a string literal or variable consisting of special formatting characters. The formatting characters determine the field and the format of printed strings or numbers. List of expressions consists of the string or numeric expressions separated by semicolons. Now first we will talk about the string field. The following three characters may be used to format the string field. Number one is sign of exclamation, specifies that only the first character in the string is to be printed. \n spaces \, specifies that 2 plus n characters from the string are to be printed. If the backslashes are typed with no spaces. 2 characters are printed. If the backslashes are typed with 1 space, 3 characters are printed, and so on. Now we are going to type a computer program. So for that we are using this IDE. We are using this IDE of GW Basic Programming Language, and we will type a computer program like at line number 10. We will type $8 string. We will use a variable and we'll type work enclosed in double quotes, and we'll type a colon and then type $8 variable, and then assign hard, and at line number 20 we'll type print using sign of exclamation closing double quotes semicolon $, colon $. Line number 30 we'll type print using double backslash space double backslash it goes in double quotes semicolon $, colon $. Line number 40 we'll type print using double quotes backslash space backslash double quotes semicolon $, semicolon. Here we have to use semicolon instead, and then type $. Like same way we'll type semicolon and type $. Here again we'll type $, and then type semicolon and type double quotes, double sign of exclamation, and then double quotes, and at line number 50 we'll type print using double quotes backslash space backslash double quotes semicolon $, semicolon $. So actually line number 40 is the last line, and line number 50 we'll type end, and then we'll type F4 to save this program and type print using .bas. We'll type F3, we'll type F3, we'll press the F3 key to load this program, then type again the name print using .bas, and now we'll press F2 key. So you can see that we have an error at line number 20. So viewers will type list to see the errors in the program. So we can see that we will type edit and then type 20. Here we can see that we have made a mistake right over here. I'm gonna correct it by typing semicolon and $. Likewise, there's an error in line number 30. We should have used semicolon over here, so we'll type edit 30, and we will edit this line, and we will type semicolon $, and I will again type a list command to see that if the program contains any error. So there is no error in it, so we're gonna run it. So you can see that these are the output of the program. In the first you can see W and H work hard, because you can see that we have used the sign of exclamation, and when we use it you can only see the first character. So W is the first character from the string work, and H is the first character from the string hard. So we can see WH right after running the program, and in line number 30 we can see double backslashes, semicolon, $B dollar, and here you can see three characters right from the string. And if you see that we have just discussed that if the backslashes are typed with no spaces, two characters are printed. If the backslashes are typed with one space, so we have typed backslashes with one space, three characters are printed. So we can see three characters, WR, HAR, like WR are three first characters from the string work, and HAR are the three characters from the string hard. So now we're gonna paste that program from the GW Basic IDE. We have just typed that program and gonna paste over here. So we can see the program is pasted over here. And now one more character we are gonna learn. It is the ampersand sign, and if we use the ampersand sign, then viewers, it specifies a variable length string field. When the field is specified with ampersand, the string is output exactly as input. So viewers, that's all for today, and we have learned print using statement in string fields, and we can see that if we use the sign exclamation, only first character is printed, and for n spaces we can use always double backslashes. With no spaces, two characters are printed, and if the backslashes are typed in one space, three characters are printed. And here, if ampersand sign is used, it specifies the variable length. String field, when the field is specified with ampersand sign, the string is output is exactly as input. So that's all, and thanks for watching my video.